This little guy turned $500 into 50 grand, then lost every penny in 9 seconds. Welcome to Crypto Perpetuals. A perpetual is a bet on a coin's price that never expires. You never own the coin. You just bet forever. Think the price is going up? You go long. Think it's about to dump? You go short. Guess right, you profit. Now the fun part. Leverage. Put down $100, borrow the rest, and trade like you have 10,000. With 10x leverage, a 10% move doubles your money. But 10% the other way wipes you out completely. That wipeout is called liquidation. The exchange closes your position, keeps your money, and your dreams evaporate. No refunds, no mercy. But wait, if this contract never expires, what keeps its price glued to the real coin? A trick called the funding rate. Every few hours, whichever side is too crowded pays the other side. Too many longs? Longs pay shorts. Price snaps back in line. Traders love perps. One click to bet on any coin, no wallets, no expiry dates, and up to 100x leverage. That's why perpetuals are the biggest casino in crypto, moving over $100 billion every single day, more than all regular trading. But the higher your leverage, the tinier the wiggle that deletes your account. Most traders don't lose slowly, they get liquidated instantly. So that's perpetuals, endless bets, borrowed money, and a funding rate holding it all together. Trade small or become the exit liquidity.